guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Dons, and today I am joined by my two daughters,
Sassy Cece.
Cece and
Skylar Ray.
Skylar Ray.
I'm a bit crazy.
Yeah, they know that you're a bit crazy. Skylar, can you stop it, please? Sky, behave. Yeah, behave. Right, anyway, today, are you trying to give your sister away?
Yeah, I want a brother now.
Oh hell no! Today is pancake day. Well, it's not actually pancake day anymore, so it's pancake night. Don't know what happened with today's plans. We were meant to make pancakes ages ago. Didn't happen, did it?
No, we watched movies instead.
Yeah, they watched movies instead, didn't you?
Pancake day movies.
As you do. But yeah, today's pancake day, so we're going to make some pancakes, and we're gonna do with the pan. Yes, we're going to make some pancakes with the pan, which is an important part of making pancakes.
Otherwise, how would you flip it?
Exactly. Our pancake pan is from IKEA, and I think it costs £4.
What?
Just in case you wanted to know that. What we're going to do is the can you flip it?
Yes, I can.
Oh my gosh, new generation, they don't even know the song. Do you know the song? Can I kick
Who
it?
sings that song?
A Tribe Called Quest. Is it a Tribe Called Quest? No. Yeah, it is a Tribe Called Quest. A cough. A Tribe Called Quest.
I was gonna have a rabbit.
That matches your top.
Oh yeah.
So basically, the can you flip it challenge is how many times can you flip your pancake in 30 seconds?
Guys,
thought you could flip them.
No, we're changing it. We're changing it. Sky has something to say.
Guys, do you smell it?
How are they going to smell the lemons?
But I'm gonna drop it, and then drop it again, and then get the lemon up, then squeeze it on your eyes, like just.
Skylar.
Right, guys, while I'm here, can I just say, if you want to see any more of Skylar Ray, she does actually have her own channel where she chats her randomness instead of on my channel. That is called Little Miss Ray Ray. And also, Cece also has her channel called Sassy Cece. So you can subscribe to Little Miss Ray Ray and you can subscribe to Sassy Cece. And while we're talking about subscribing, if you are new to my channel, why don't you just go right ahead and click that subscribe button down here. And then while you're clicking that subscribe button, if you also click that ding dong bell, which is now down here, that will be much appreciated. That way you never miss one of my videos.
No,
Oh my gosh, I'm dropping the For some reason this year I did not go out and buy the ready-made pancake batter where you just had an egg and water. I thought, no girls, no. Mummy is going to make the pancake batter from scratch by herself.
I know why.
Why?
Because remember that week when you said, you know what, I'm gonna buy the ingredients to actually make our tea for this week instead of buying the tea for this week.
Yeah, this is
And it
true.
was disgusting. So this is probably the year of baking for her. That's why she didn't want to do it
Yeah.
the quick way.
What's up, Skylar?
Please can we help you?
You're going to help, that's why you're in the video. Skylar's not quite with it today, obviously. Cece is right. At the start of the year, I did say that I was going to cook everything from scratch. And then when I couldn't be bothered to cook and was looking in the fridge and the freezer thinking, oh my God, what can I feed the kids? I realised there was nothing because I literally bought raw ingredients for everything. So that might be why I decided to make the pancakes from scratch. But like, I've not made pancakes from scratch for like 20 years or something. What? First of all, I'm gonna have to like Google on my phone like how to make pancake batter. Even though I know that you have to have. Chico wants to get in on the action. Obviously. I know that you need flour, eggs, milk and water. So I've got the flour, eggs, milk and water. So I'm just gonna check for a recipe and then we're gonna make it properly because we're not having no whack pancakes, are we, see?
I want whack pancake. No, they're not called whack pancakes. They're
Whack
called...
means rubbish, babe.
Oh, well, I don't want whack pancakes.
No, I do want whack pancakes.
And Mum,
Skylar's like, I have no
Mummy,
idea what she's talking about.
I don't want whack pancakes or whack pancakes.
But they're gonna be whack pancakes if I don't check the ingredients.
No.
Sorry.
How are you going to check them on your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Okay, let's get into this making the batter mix. So I'm checking Delia Smith online, and she's saying that I need 110 grams of plain flour. We got flour, see?
Yes.
I need a pinch of salt. Salt's in the cupboard. 2 large eggs.
Yes.
200 grams of semi-skimmed milk. Boom, that's what we have, because we don't really like milk in this house. Other than Cece, to be honest. 75 grams of water. Butter. Butter.
Butter.
No, butter. She said. We need to find a different recipe, because I don't have butter for putting in pancakes. I've never put butter in pancakes. What's she talking about? Let me check this one. Easy pancakes.
What is
On BBC Good Food. Come on, BBC, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Where is the recipe?
What?
Where the heck is the recipe?
They just like pictures.
Oh no. 100 grams of plain flour, 2 large eggs, and 300 grams of milk, 1 tablespoon of sunflower or vegetable oil, obviously, lemons, veggie. But this doesn't have water. Oh, you know what we're gonna do, right? I did say I wasn't gonna remix any recipes, but we're gonna remix a recipe. The kids are like, no, Mum, no.
I'll literally scream if my pancake turns out whack.
Who's saying the pancake's gonna turn out whack though? Who's gonna say the pancake's gonna turn out whack just because Mummy is remixing a recipe? All we're gonna do is we're gonna use Delia's recipe, yeah? But we're not gonna put the 50 grams of butter in, because maybe that butter there. Are you putting your hand up like you're at school?
Actually,
She thinks that she's at school. Baby, it's half term.
who is going to think that the recipe is whack is me and Skylar, and if Chico managed to get any, he'll probably throw up. So yeah, Chico as well. Everyone.
While I'm filming my vlog, Pancake Day vlog, Cece is also filming her vlog for her channel.
Yeah, with my new
With her new camera.
What about me? I want a camera.
Baby, you need to get a bit bigger and then you can have a camera. Oh, Skylar Ray wants her own camera. God knows what she's
I'm
doing.
filming you. Just kidding.
Anyway, yeah, so let's get on with this recipe, yeah?
We've measured it right. Hopefully we have. Because now all the milk is covering the 200, so we can't even see if it went over or not.
Yeah.
Oh,
Guys, I think they put too much milk and water in. That's what happens, so a tinsy bit. So if these pancakes go wrong, I'm blaming the kids.
That means you're doing the. Are we doing the eggs next?
Yeah, we've got to do the eggs.
I'm doing 1 egg.
You see, I don't like.
I said a wag.
I don't like eggshell in my pancakes, so this is the decider on whether I'm just flipping pancakes or flipping and eating them.
She's saying that I am bad at putting eggs in pancake mix.
Yes, yes I am. Yes I am.
So, right now, we're just gonna put the eggs in the mix.
Crack, crack, crack.
Oh hell no! We have a disaster.
Oh, no.
Well, so what were you saying about cracking eggs, Cece?
That's because I jinxed myself that time.
Excuse me?
It wasn't my fault.
Excuse me?
I jinxed myself that time. It wasn't my fault. Great.
Egg on the floor. Egg
Never
on the
mind about the egg
floor.
on the floor. Look at my slipper.
Oh my gosh. You see that? Mummy knows. Mummy's always right. Girls, Mummy is always right.
And we don't
No,
want to
she
eat
ain't.
the
I
egg.
jinxed myself that time.
It's all okay. We don't.
Sorry.
We don't want to eat the egg off the floor. If you eat the egg off the floor, you're gonna be sick.
Well,
Can I go
yes,
wash my
this
hands,
is true.
please?
Do you want to clean my floor?
It's your house. You clean.
Yeah, you clean.
Did you hear that one? It's my house, me clean. Really? Remember that when you're raiding my cupboards for sweets and biscuits and everything, yeah? Alright then.
Wanna see him?
And spend his gun. Plus. No ketchup. This sauce. It's a spider. Just kidding. Whoa. No, you don't do that. Like a phone. No, you don't hold it. I hold it.
What is that?
Oh, did the egg just touch my phone?
Yeah.
That's what you get for blaming me for making the mess.
So we've recovered from our little disaster with the egg. We're now on to mixing the pancakes. We'll see how this turns out.
Hopefully good.
Hopefully being the key word.
Good is the key.
Guys,
Yeah? What?
the milk.
And the water.
What's that cake mix? Looks like sick.
How? Oh, it does. Sky, stop mixing.
Just put a little bit in for now. Right, mix it slow. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh, Skylar.
I can do it. Oh.
You need to hold the bowl.
Oh my god. Help me, please.
Help me, please.
Mix the thing.
Who wants a little sister? Because
So
I
sorry,
really
what's-
need a brother.
Oh hell no! Pancake night is nearly over.
No.
That's because it takes you forever to get ready and stuff. Look at this one. Sky, what are you doing?
Then what are we going to do with the mix if we can't make the pancakes yet?
Well, the mix is never going to be ready, is it? It's going to be ready the day after Pancake Day, which this year is Valentine's Day. So now we're going to... Oh my gosh. I should have put the aprons on them. Cece, do some mixing.
Okay.
No.
No, it's Sienna's turn to mix.
I know how to do it.
Yeah, but we're taking it in turn now.
No.
Who wants a little sister? Because I can't stand it.
No.
My gosh. 15 minutes and we're still mixing the batter mix.
I'm hungry. I
Okay.
want to eat something, please.
You know what Skylar wants to eat? Chocolate. No. Cupboard's locked. Dun, 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 dun.
The red lasers have now gone off. We've caught you.
Show me your happy face, Sky. Show me your happy face. Skylar.
You ain't got no happy face.
You ain't got no happy face. You ain't got no happy face. You ain't got no happy face. You got a sad. You got a sad face.
I shot
You got a sad. And he's no. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
Skylar, I'm on your chair, by the way.
I'm gonna handle business. 1 minute. R-E-S-B-C-T, take us T-C-P. Suck it to me, 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 suck it to me. Yeah. Cece thinks she's a big woman. Check out her channel to see what the heck I'm going on about. Okay guys, so Skylar's having a little tantrum because she wants chocolate still. But we're just going to ignore her because we don't give attention to tantrums.
No, we don't.
No, we don't. She likes attention.
She just wants attention.
She don't want nothing else. She just want everyone to run around and do as she says. She forgets she's 4. She don't run this house, cause I make mommy moves. Little kid, you can't mess with me if you wanted to. I'm the mommy. This is my house and I make mommy moves. Yeah, so we've got the oil in the pan to make the first pancake. Which, the first pancake's always rubbish. Did you know that? The first pancake is always rubbish, so it's like, who's getting the first one?
I know why, Mum, I know why. First the worst, second the best. Dibs on the second pancake. Whoop whoop.
We don't even know how the batter's gonna go yet, but the batter's looking mighty fine.
And it smells mighty fine.
Mighty fine. Delia and Don's batter mix. Delia and Don's.
The DD butter mix.
The DD batter mix. Wow.
Who is Delia anyway?
Delia's like some old school cookery woman, like old school. Yeah.
Wait, no, put it in the middle and I'll spin the bowl.
No, because after the egg incident. After the egg incident.
No, I promise. Mum, please.
Remember all the hype that she did about cracking the egg? Skylar, you're just trying to undress me here. No, thank you.
Mum.
Thank you. Skylar's trying to cover up my midriff because my top is a bit
showy.
Sky. I make mommy moves.
Ladle. Look at the ladle.
First pancake, sugar.
Mummy's pancake.
Why is it mine? This is gonna be Skylar's.
Yep. First the worst, second the best.
My pancakes are the lick, you see. Look at that girl. Can I flip it? Yes, you're right. Let's go.
Let's see.
Oh!
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
That is looking like a bad boy pancake. I might actually take the first one because it looks good. So Cece is just cutting the lemon for the pancake because we literally just have lemon and sugar. We don't do Nutella, we don't do bananas, we don't do ice cream, we don't do chocolate syrup, we don't do strawberry syrup, we don't do syrup.
You don't do maple syrup.
We don't do maple syrup because these aren't no American pancakes. These are British basic bog standard pancakes.
Bog standard pancakes.
Bog standard pancakes.
Don't cut yourself. Oh, there's juice.
Of course there's the juice. That's why we're getting the lemon.
Skylar's just realised that lemons have lemon juice inside them. Woo! Can she flip it? Yes, she can.
No, she can't.
Don's pancakes, not Delia's, are like on point.
Donzia's.
Just Don's.
Yuck. I'm allergic to lemon.
Taste test, taste test.
Ingredients on top.
Right, well she ain't even stopping, so that just says so. Skylar, Sienna, hurry up and do taste test. Skylar needs to flip the pancake before it burns.
Oh, you're good.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, did we get a verdict there? What was it?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5 for Mommy's pancakes, Don's pancakes. Flip it, can she flip it? Yes, she can. Can she flip it? Try, Sky.
I can't do it.
Oh no! Try again. Do this.
Do a big one.
Oh, no.
Big flip.
I can't do it. I'm scared.
Oh, never mind. Maybe next year, yeah? Okay, so we're about to do this challenge. So basically, you've got to flip the pancake for as many times as possible in 30 seconds. Can you do it?
Yes, I can.
No.
What did you say?
I have faith in my daughter. Of course she can do it. Of course you can, baby.
I don't have faith in my mum. She can't do it.
Says the one that dropped the egg.
Well, I'm not going to drop the pancake.
So here is the pancake in question. We didn't want to waste any pancake mix, so we're just going to be flipping the same pancake. Cece's going to go first because she's the youngest and she's going to fail anyway.
Actually, no. We're going to do rock, paper, scissors.
We're really going to do rock, paper, scissors for this thing.
Yes.
Right, okay, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors. Come.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I go first.
She was gonna go first anyway. I've got the timer on my phone over here and I'm gonna set it and it's gonna be right, 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, flip! Flip what? Oh, was that a flip? 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5.
Five.
Somebody's waiting for some
6.
food to drop. 7.
7.
Okay then, 8. But it's got to be in the pan, Babs. In the pan, babe, in the pan. Oh, Roger, no! The dog's gonna make the pancake! The dog's like, oh my gosh, there's food on the floor.
No pancake for you, a pancake day. No pancake for Chihuahua. No pancake for Chihuahua.
Open this.
He got 9 or 8?
Yeah, 9.
I'll have to check when I edit. It's either 8 or 9, so obviously I'm gonna standardly beat that. So come, let's go. Are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2.
2.
I gotta be 9, is it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, Chico, go away, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 46!
Actually, no. You didn't get 46 because you missed out 2 numbers. You got 48.
48? What? You saying I didn't get 46, but I got 48? I missed
Yes.
out 2 numbers. Oh, so I got more?
Yes.
Woohoo! Get in there. Who can beat me, yeah? Who can beat me? Who can beat Dons? Mummy won the challenge. I won the challenge. I won the challenge. Come on, Sky. I won the challenge. Sky with the one eye. I won the challenge. You see us actually run off. Chico! Hey, I love the pancakes. They were yummy. Even though I know I should never had them. I guess we could say that is the end of the video. That I won the challenge.
I'm doing this.
I don't know why Skylar's in the fridge, but she's in the fridge.
No,
So,
why on the carpet?
oh my word.
Because my eye really hurts.
She's using the fridge as a cold compress, which is kind of clever, but kind of like, you can't do that, babe. Okay, and the battery on the camera is about to die now, so I guess we're going to say bye. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Also, subscribe to Little Miss Ray Ray's channel if you're little and like little unboxing things and LOL dolls and toys and random kids things. Also, subscribe to Sassy Cece if you're a preteen and you like preteen things, like cool things like, I'm not cool anymore, so I don't know. But yeah, until then, mwah, bye!
It doesn't hurt anymore.
Just say bye. Bye!